Yes. So cool. Go closer. Nice. Oh, that's a
Oh my god.
big one. Is that the 50 kilo one?
Yeah. Well, it probably means that it's going to be a little bit more wobbly and bouncy just because it's moving around a lot.
Should be okay.
Yeah.
Buy that for Daniel for his birthday.
Everybody ask about this.
I hate to see that work.
It looks
A
good.
lot. Like he, like the LiDAR equipment you put on it would be like 20 grand.
Oh.
And that.
Yeah. So you guys do it using this? What is it? Two gases?
What's that thing about?
Oh, it's the thing for.
So cool. What is this?
Oh my god, that's
Wow.
What is that?
so it's the so it goes
What
with
do you
the
use
camera
it
that Tiff
for?
has.
Oh yeah, how camera.
So it's like the
I'm doing a
Oh,
vlog.
okay, yeah.
yeah, it's like the screen.
So cool.
I think it's a cup.
Oh, cup holder. Oh yeah.
That's really cool.
Oh.
Where did you get that?
Down at the logistics place
Oh.
next to where the scenic flights are.
Oh,
nice.
cool.
So you got Silverado, you got the scenic flights, and then you got these guys. It's a big purple truck,
Have to go there to grab one then.
and they've got a purple pen as well.
Take you a got this like just a quick look. What is this?
That's an incendiary.
Is that the new style, you know, when you watched the tornado, when that big and then all the balls go up into the tornado?
Yeah.
That's what that's for?
That basically, that's for fire management.
Oh, okay.
You know, to control burns. Yeah. There's two needles underneath that and injects some accelerant into those balls. And then the drone just drops them in
Which
three
one?
different
There's
locations.
one or
Or five.
I saw one in Native American where they
Yeah, they're pretty cool. There's